Hi guys, how you doing? This is Matt, MC Modelworks. For the time being, anyway. Okay, so we're doing our Carnage build. Okay, it's been ages on this. I got so busy at work. Anyway, areas to look out for on this are the seams. Where you got a seam cutting across detail, you have to carve in the detail. Okay. A bit yellow light there. Where's that coming from? So anyway, yeah, lots of detail. Fingers are very fragile, depending on what kind of super glue you use. You could pin them, and I had to pin this one down here because it got caught and it just wasn't sticking anymore. Now this cast on here had some of the fingers glued on already, but you still had a seam, so plenty of milliput. Push it on, wet it down, rub it over, and smooth it off with some. I use 800 grit wet and dry. Okay, so on this we got a bit of loss of detail on the back of the hand, so I'm going to have to carve in detail there, and on the back of that hand too. Try and get that in there. It's a bit rough, some detail lost on there, and a bit rough there. Apart from that, it's smooth. It's almost as good as the original. As for the, I don't know what you want to call these tentacles, blobs, spikes. Some of them are good casting. I mean, I've got a little bit of a hollow there, and at the top there, which we can fill in with a bit of milliput. Now I was going to make these out of copper wire and PVA, but I thought PVA might peel off, so I abandoned that. So these would go like this, I guess, wherever you want to stick them. There's instructions, but I seem to have lost mine. But yeah, there are lots of them. There's some which like small blobs about that long, and I've discarded it and can't be bothered, basically. So that's that to do, and then putty that, and then we're ready for primer, hopefully. It's taken me a while, getting busy at work, not much time at the moment, so yeah, so keep following me, we'll get to this in the end. So yeah, there it is, guys. Cheers.